Most people don't realize this, but there's a built-in scanner on your iPhone. It allows you to scan documents professionally and save them onto your iPhone or email them, print them, etc. I'll show you how it works. So on your iPhone, let's swipe all the way over until you get to the app library. And in the app library, you're going to search for a new app called Preview. And there it is. Just tap on Preview. This is a brand new app that is built into your iPhone, and you can see under New Document is Scan Documents. You can also scan documents in the Notes app or the Files app, but I find this easiest. So I'll show you how this works. I have a little notebook here, and I'm going to work on scanning this document. So I'm going to tap on Scan Document, and now I'm going to bring this up, and it will automatically take an image of that document. Let me bring this down so that you can see it again. So you can see it says ready for next scan. So essentially, as you swipe over to multiple pages, it will automatically recognize when there's a document and to scan it. Now, at the bottom left is the scan that I already did. You can see here just notes, subscribe. If you didn't already, hit the subscribe button. It really helps me out. Now on here, you can retake it if you want to scan it again. A cool feature is you can tap on adjust here, and it will allow you to adjust the corners. If they're not exactly right, you can just adjust them a little bit and hit the check mark. And that looks pretty good to me. You can add filters or rotate, etc. But now after you've scanned it, there's tons of added functionality. Let's tap on the little check mark at the top right. Now you'll be able to see, okay, here's my scanned document, but I want to do a few things. Let's first tap on the drop down arrow at the top because I don't want this to be called Scan Documents PDF. I want to hit rename, and I'm going to rename this to YouTube and hit the check mark. Okay, so this is renamed. I renamed the PDF. On here, I can tap on the little pencil and paper at the bottom left here. And if there are areas that you can fill in, for instance, if this is a lease that you're getting ready to sign, it essentially will automatically detect where you basically can enter in your phone number, your name, your address, all that stuff. You can also just tap on the little plus and you can hit add a text box. And I can add a text box anywhere I want to. And I can say, hi, how are you? Now, keep in mind, in this case, it is super small text. So I might want to go in here and tap the little AA. And let's bump this up a lot because we want it to be bigger text. So bump this up to bigger text here, just like that, and you'll be able to see it. Now, you can also tap on the little pencil icon at the bottom left here. And you can draw on it or even add a signature. If I wanted to add a signature, I could draw a random signature. Or I could draw something like, I love you. Whatever I want. Basically, I have full capacity to just basically edit this PDF. Now, after I've done that, let's get out of here. You can see here, it usually saves it by default to on your iPhone. But we can tap on that little share icon at the bottom right. And I can choose to email it. I could text it if I wanted to. At the top, you can see I named it YouTube and it's a PDF document. I can choose to print it out again. So let's say, again, this is a form like a lease that you need to take scan it. You need to add a signature or whatever, save it to your phone or email, and then print it out again. You can do that. It has lots of different options on how to modify and customize that PDF after you've scanned it directly from your iPhone. I hope this helps. Again, if it did, hit that subscribe button down below and send this to a few friends if this helped you out.